So, good morning students. So in previous class we have already discussed some basic definitions of science, and also we have discussed the other definition related to some other definitions related to the other branches of science, okay, and we also discussed some idea about your physics, okay. So what we discussed in the previous chapter, we have already discussed that physics is a study of matter and energy, okay, and it is also defines the study of nature and its various laws, okay. Nature and its laws, we take some example of like Newton's law, Einstein theory, like this some laws, okay. So let us take a detailed analysis on the physics and its various branches along with our starting chapter unit and dimensions, okay. So what we learned in the previous class, that is study of matter and energy is called physics, okay. So now make a detailed analysis on matter, okay. What is matter and in how many states a matter can exist, and what are the reason of existence of matter or existence of different state of matter, okay. So matter, mainly we divide matter into three categories, okay. There is also a fourth category which is under research process, okay. So three category of matter is, one is called solid, okay, second one is called liquid, and third one is called gas, okay. And remember that liquid and gas combinedly called fluid, okay. We say liquid and gas combinedly as fluid, and there is another state of matter that is in under research process, and that state is called plasma, okay. Your plasma state is on under research process, okay. So mainly three state of matter, one is solid, fluid and plasma, okay. Plasma is under your research process. So there are only, we study here the three states, that is solid, liquid and gas, okay. Liquid and gas is called fluid. Fluid means capacity to flow, okay. जो substance रो flow हमारा capacity अच्छी, flow हमारा ability अच्छी, ताको हमें कोई fluid, okay. जैसे हमें कोई gas, it can flow from one part to another part. Liquid, it can also flow from one container to another container. So that's why these are called fluid, okay. So let us take a detailed analysis why there are three states and what is the reason of existence of solid, liquid and gas, okay. So out of the three different state of matter, solid, liquid and gas, we say first is solid, okay. So what is a solid and how can it be formed, okay. So solid, we can say the state of matter which possess definite shape, definite volume and have a definite size, okay. So we can say it has fixed volume and has definite shape and size, okay. so solids are the state of matter which possess fixed volume, okay, and has a definite shape and size, okay, and they occupy some space, okay. These are called solids, okay. So I can take an example of duster, okay. So this is like a rectangular body, okay. The one surface is like rectangular, okay, a different surface, and it forms a solid three-dimensional structure, and it possesses a definite shape, definite size, and has fixed volume, okay. So another thing is important about the solid is, in case of solid, the molecules, okay, the constituent molecules of the solid are very close to each other. They are bounded by a strong interactive force of attraction, okay. So molecules of a solid, molecules of solid, okay, molecules of solid are very close to each other, close to each other, okay. The molecules of a solid are very close to each other, okay. There is intermolecular spacing, okay. In case of a solid, the intermolecular spacing, molecule bhitar jo space achi, that is very small, okay. Intermolecular spacing is very small, okay. So that's why the intermolecular force of attraction, intermolecular force of attraction is very strong, very strong. That means the molecules of a solid are bound to each other by a strong intermolecular force of attraction, okay. So that's why you can say, because of the large intermolecular force of attraction, solid possesses fixed volume and it has a fixed shape and size, okay. So what are the main three characteristics of solid? It has a fixed volume, it possesses definite shape and size, okay, and the molecules of a solid are bound to each other, and there are a very small distance between the molecules of a solid, okay, and in between them the intermolecular force of attraction is very large, okay. And another important thing is that when we heat a solid, okay, jodi am gote solid ko heat kariba, okay, so in such case when we provide some heat or energy to the solid, what happens, their intermolecular distance gradually increases, okay. jodi am gote solid ro pictorial view dekhiba, gote solid ro jo atoms of molecules achi, they are bonded like this, okay, they are very close to each other. The molecules of a solid are very close to each other, but if we provide some heat, if we supply some heat to a solid, so what happens to the solid? Their atoms, their molecules starts vibrating. जदि आम हीट प्रोवाइड करवा किसी एनर्जी दबा ताले से कौन आसो ना जो मोलिक्यूल्स गुड़ाक अच्छी से एनर्जी रिसीव करेंगे आ एनर्जी रिसीव करने कौन हम ना दे स्टार्ट्स टू वाइब्रेट ओके एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द वाइब्रेशन देयर इंटरमोलिकुलर डिस्टेंस ग्रेजुअली इंक्रीजेस ओके व्हेन द मोलिक्यूल्स वाइब्रेट they are very close to each other but when we provide some energy what happens they starts vibrating and because of the vibration their intermolecular distance gradually increases okay and the solid converts to liquid okay solid converts to liquid or solid direct transport to gas okay so because of the increase in intermolecular distance in the solid because of applying of heat they converts to liquid or gaseous state okay understand solid kon kahi ki solid ro formation ase what is the reason behind the formation of solid buji parilo okay second asiba ame second state of matter jeta ame kohuche liquid okay देखो लिक्विड ओके लिक्विड हमें कहा कहवा Liquid is a state of matter. Liquid is a state of matter which has definite volume. Okay, it possesses definite volume but does not possess a definite shape. Okay, it does not have a definite shape but it possesses a fixed volume. So liquid is a state of matter which has fixed volume, but do not have fixed shape, and size. So liquid is a state of matter that possesses fixed volume but do not have shape and size. Okay, later we discuss why it possesses fixed volume. Okay, now come to the intermolecular distance, intermolecular attractions. In case of liquid, the molecules are bound to each other and the intermolecular distance is large as compared to solid. Okay, in case of solid, the molecules are very close to each other, but in case of liquid, the intermolecular distance is very large. Okay, as compared to the solid. So in case of liquid हम कौन कहते हैं, molecule भितर जो distance अच्छी, से distance कौन अच्छी ना large अच्छी, कहाँ comparison ले ना solid रो comparison ले, जेहेतु intermolecular distance मोर large आसुची, ताकि हमें कौन कही परिवा ना जेहेतु intermolecular distance large अच्छी, ताकि से intermolecular force भी small आसीबो. ओके, यदि molecule भितर distance increase करूची, ताले कौन आसीबो ना force सेठी कौन आसीबो ना decrease आसीबो, force कम आसीबो as compared to the solid. So you can say the molecules of liquid are at a larger distance as compared to solid. Molecules of a liquid are at a large distance as compared to solid. Okay. Third things, intermolecular distance, intermolecular force. Intermolecular force is small. Intermolecular force is small as compared to solid. We say in case of solid the intermolecular force of attraction is large, but in case of liquid the intermolecular force of attraction is small. Okay, so that's why it does not possess fixed shape and size. Okay, but we say the liquid has a fixed volume. Liquid has a fixed volume. What does it means? But a liquid has a fixed volume. The fixed volume of the liquid is because of the container. Okay, and the liquid always possesses the volume as like the volume of the container. ओके जो लिक्विड रो फिक्स्ड वॉल्यूम अछि एटा कहा ऊपर डिपेंड करूची ना हम को कंटेनर रे हमें ताको पुट करजबा को कंटेनर रे रखु छे. ओके सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ लिक्विड ऑलवेज डिपेंड्स अपॉन द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कंटेनर इन व्हिच इट इज kept. Okay, so what are the different characteristics of liquid? So liquid has fixed volume but do not possess shape and size. Okay, second thing, the molecules of a liquid are at a large distance as compared to the molecules of the solid. And third thing, the intermolecular force of attraction between the liquids is small as compared to the molecular distance or molecular force in the solid. Okay, but what happens जदि आम गोटे लिक्विड को हीट करवा, जदि गोटे लिक्विड को हीट करवा से केस कौन आसो, आदि गोटे लिक्विड को आम कूल करवा से केस कौन आसो. व्हेन वी सप्लाई हीट टू ए लिक्विड, जदि आम लिक्विड को किसी हीट करवा लिक्विड को आम किसी एक्सटर्नल हीट प्रोवाइड करवा, सो व्हाट हैपेंस द इंटरमोलिकुलर डिस्टेंस also increases and the intermolecular distance is extremely large in such that it converts to gas. ओके जब हम लिक्विड को हीट करवा लिक्विड रो टेम्परेचर को राइज करवा ताले एटी कोन हबो ना से कन्वर्ट हे जबो कहा कोठी कि ना गैस को कन्वर्ट हे जबो जब हम लिक्विड रो टेम्परेचर को डिक्रीज करवा देन व्हाट हैपेंस द इंटरमोलिकुलर डिस्टेंस ग्रेजुअली डिक्रीजेस. ओके सो इफ यू डिक्रीज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ ए लिक्विड the intermolecular distance gradually decreases and it converts to solid as like water. We can take an example of water. When we decrease the temperature of water, it changes to ice. Okay, but if we heat water, it changes to gas. So when we provide heat, its intermolecular distance increases very large, so it converts to gas. Okay, but when we cool, the intermolecular distance decreases and it converts to solid. Okay. Then come to the third stage of matter, that is gas. Okay, so gas are the state of matter. Gases are the state of matter which do not have volume, do not possess shape, and do not have a size. Okay, so it is do not possess gases do not possess fixed shape, do not possess fixed shape, size and volume. Okay, then second thing, intermolecular distance is very large. Intermolecular distance is very large. Okay, third thing, intermolecular force is negligible. Intermolecular force is negligible means we can say almost zero. Okay, or intermolecular force of attraction is very small. Okay, so gases do not possess fixed shape, they do not have a size, and they do not have a volume. Okay, the intermolecular distance is very large. Okay, and the intermolecular force of attraction is very negligible in case of gases. Okay, and interesting thing about the gas is that the gas occupy the space available to it. ओके जदि हम गोटे कंटेनर गैस रखा ताल से केस रे कौन आसो गोटे कंटेनर तुम लिक्विड रख गोटे कंटेनर गैस रख लिक्विड कौन आसूची ना लिक्विड तार जेतिकी जेहेतु तार इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन एग्जिस्ट करूची ताल से स्पेस ऑक्युपाई करबा तार जेतिकी वॉल्यूम अछि. ओके बा से कंटेनर किछि पार्ट को से कवर करबो किंतु गैस केस रे कौन आसे ना जदि गैस को हम गोटे कंटेनर अवेलेबल रखुचे गोटे कंटेनर रखी दउचे ताले से कौन हबो ना कंटेनर टोटल वॉल्यूम जेतिकी अछि कंटेनर जेतिकी स्पेस अवेलेबल अछि सब स्पेस को से कवर कर नबो. Okay, so that's why we say the gases do not have a fixed shape, size and volume. Okay, because it acquires or it cover the space available to it. Okay, तुम ताको जेतिकी भी स्पेस दबो से सब स्पेस को कौन करिवो ना कवर कर नबो. So it occupy the space available to it. Okay, तुम गैस को गोटे कंटेनर रखी दो से कंटेनर टोटल वॉल्यूम रे से कवर कर नबो गोटे कंटेनर से गैस अमाउंट को जब छोट कंटेनर रे रखी दबा ताल से छोट कंटेनर रे भी से कोन होई परिबो ना रही परिबो. तेन हम कहबा गैस रो जेतिकी भी स्पेस अवेलेबल दबा बा गैस को हम जेतिकी भी वॉल्यूम दबा से सब वॉल्यूम रे कोन करिवो ना कवर होई परिबो. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई इट डज नॉट पोजेस शेप, साइज एंड वॉल्यूम. Okay, so these are the three different state of matter along with their intermolecular force, intermolecular distance and shape, size and volume. Okay. Then comes to the second definition, the second part of the definition. We say it is a study of matter and energy. Okay, we discuss about the matter. Now let's discuss about the energy. Okay, so now let's have a discussion about the energy. Okay, so we say what is energy? Energy is capacity to do work. Capacity to do work. Okay, capacity to do work is called energy. ओके, एनर्जी में क्या कहे ना कार्य कर क्षमता को आम कहे शक्ति. ओके, जो कार्य करने आम जो क्षमता एक्वायर करुचे से आम कौन कहे ना कैपेसिटी टू डू वर्क इज कॉल्ड एनर्जी. ओके, सो एनर्जी आर डिफरेंट फॉर्म जेटा आम कहे गतिज शक्ति, स्थितिज शक्ति. ओके, तो जेटा आम काइनेटिक एनर्जी कहे, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कहे. ओके, सो इन केस ऑफ atoms there is also formation. तुम atoms molecules रे देखिबो केमिस्ट्री रे पढिबो जेतले गोटे केमिकल रिएक्शन आसुची जो एटम मोलिक्यूल्स ऊपर सा डिस्कशन कले से केमिकल रिएक्शन ले हमें कहूचे एनर्जी ऑफ रिएक्टेंट आ एनर्जी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट केवल इक्वल आसेनी. ओके, गोटे स्टेट आस्तिबो रिएक्टेंट इज नॉट इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट. ओके, और रिएक्टेंट मास इज नॉट इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट मास एंड देयर इज ए चेंज. ओके, देखिए तुम एनर्जी डायग्राम गोटे ड्रॉ होइथिबो, एनर्जी डायग्राम से पढ़ी जे रिएक्टेंट एनर्जी और प्रोडक्ट एनर्जी भीतर वेरिएशन आसे. ओके, आम कहे से जो मास आइंस्टाइन लास्ट क्लास रे जो डिस्कशन करथिले आइंस्टाइन को मास एनर्जी रिलेशन ऊपर सेटा हम कहे मास टा कोठी कन्वर्ट हो जाए एनर्जी को कन्वर्ट हो जाए. जेतेबेले एटम मॉलिक्यूल्स रे प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन्स को जॉइन करूचे ना सेतेबेले कोन होउची ना किछि मास टा एनर्जी को कन्वर्ट हो जाउची. से विषय में डिटेल्स रे पढ़ा गोटे चैप्टर अच्छी जोटा तुम एटॉमिक फिजिक्स बा तुम एवं पढ़ो से केमिस्ट्री रे जोटा एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर तुम डिटेल्स रे पढ़ो. ओके, बा फिजिक्स रे पुणी सेटा पढ़ो जोटा हमर आसीबो एटॉमिक फिजिक्स रे. ओके, सो एनर्जी दैट इज कैपेसिटी टू डू वर्क इज कॉल्ड एनर्जी बा कार्य करिवार क्षमता को हम कोन कहूचे ना शक्ति कहूचे. ओके, नाउ लेट अस know the different branches of physics. Okay, I say in last class that physics is a vast knowledge of nature. Okay, so that's why we again divide physics into different branches. Okay, we again divide into physics in different parts. Okay, so that we can study each part in a better way. ओके, then each part को हमें बेटर एनालिसिस करि परिबा. तो फिजिक्स को हम कोन करले ना अगेन डिवाइड कर देले डिफरेंट ब्रांचेस रे. सो लेट अस नो सम ऑफ द इंपोर्टेंट ब्रांचेस ऑफ फिजिक्स. ओके, सो फर्स्ट द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ फिजिक्स स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम लाइट. फिजिक्स रा कांसेप्ट कहा पाखरु स्टार्ट होउची ना लाइट्स पाखरु. ओके, जेटा हमको आलोक. Okay, so light, what do we mean by light? Okay, so light means it's a study of geometrical formation of image. Geometrical formation of image of an object through mirror, lens and prism. Okay, so study of geometrical formation of image. ओके, स्टडी ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इमेज. तुम्हें कौन करुच ना मिरर सामने रे जाई छिड़ा होच. मिरर रे कोन आसुची ना तमरो प्रतिबिंब सेठी क्रिएट होची बा तमरो जो स्ट्रक्चर अछि ता स्ट्रक्चर टा तुम ऑब्जर्व करि पारछ कोठी ना मिरर रे एंड दैट स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड द इमेज. ओके, हमें निजर प्रतिबिंब को हमें सेठी ऑब्जर्व करि पारछ का द्वारा ना गोटे मिरर द्वारा. सो स्टडी ऑफ ज्योमेट्रिकल फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इमेज थ्रू मिरर, लेंस और प्रिज्म इज कॉल्ड light. Okay, or simply we can say it is optics. Light na क्या मैं नवा optics. Okay, study of geometrical formation of image through mirror, lens and prism, or means we can say it is a study of light. Study of light and its study of light. Okay, so optics. Second things हम कहूचे कौन आसुची mechanics. What do you mean by mechanics? Okay, mechanics भीतर में कौन पढ़ी भागा mechanics कौन? So study of, these are the different branches of physics. Okay, so study of rest and motion. Study of rest and motion is called mechanics. Okay, गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट विषय आम जो तार पोजिशन बा तार मोशन वेलोसिटी मोमेंटम काइनेटिक एनर्जी यार ऊपर आम जो ऑब्जर्व कर कौन दैट इज मेकानिक्स. ओके, थर्ड थिंग्स आम कहबा दैट इज हीट एंड थर्मोडायनामिक्स. हीट एंड thermodynamics. Heat and thermodynamics. So what do you mean by heat and thermodynamics? Study of thermal properties of matter. Study of thermal properties of matter. Thermal properties of matter. Okay, study of thermal properties of matter and conversion of heat into work. Conversion of heat into work. Heat into work. And the opposite, work into heat, and vice versa. Vice versa means its opposite. Okay, so in case of thermodynamics, what we study the thermal properties of matter. We study about the heat, we study about the conversion of heat into work, and we also study about conversion of work into heat. Okay, so when we take study of thermal properties of matter, we say it's under thermodynamics. Okay, now another branch that is called magnetism. ओके, लास्ट क्लास रे मैग्नेट ऊपर जस्ट डिस्कशन करथुले तो कोन आसुची ना मैग्नेटिज्म देखा जाउछ लाइन एने नहीं करते सेपड़ कोटी होछ नै magnetism. Okay, so what we discuss in the chapter of magnetism? The chapter of magnetism includes study of magnetic substances. Okay, study of magnetic substances and different properties. And its different properties. And its different properties. So, what we study in magnetism? Okay. So, study of magnetic substances. Here I write. Study of magnetic substances and its different properties. Okay, another part that is called atoms and nuclei. atoms and nuclei. In part of atoms and nuclei, what we study? Study of atoms, atomic structure, and nucleus and its various properties, and its various properties. Okay, so in part of atoms and nuclei, what we learn? We study about the atoms, atomic structures, nucleus, and various properties about the atoms and nucleus that includes in your atoms and nuclei. Okay, so these are also two different branches. One is called atomic physics and another one is called nuclear physics. Okay, then come to another part, that is called your modern physics. Okay, so in case of modern physics, what we have to learn? The modern physics give the modern discoveries. Okay, study of modern discoveries, study of modern discoveries in physics. What are the modern discoveries? Modern discoveries says light is a wave, light is a particle. Okay, light is wave, electrons are wave. Okay, light is a particle. Like this different concept, and depending upon the energy theory and the wave theory of light, there are the modern discoveries in the modern part of physics or modern physics. Okay, another branch we can say, that is called gravitation. Okay, in gravitation chapter we mainly study of massive objects, their interforce and okay, so study of massive objects and force of attractions between them, that we have deal in the part of gravitation. Okay, mainly here we study about the how rotation of earth takes place around the sun. Okay, and what is the force that binds earth with sun. Okay, why the path of earth is not deviated. Okay, and what are the force for which we can easily walk on the surface of earth. Okay, so there must be a force that acting in between the person and the earth. Okay, so when we study about the massive objects and their force of attraction, then that part is called gravitation. Okay, then comes to another part, that is astrophysics. Okay, in case of astrophysics, we mainly study of heavenly bodies. Okay, study of heavenly bodies is called astrophysics. Okay, study of heavenly bodies is called astrophysics. Okay, another part is called quantum mechanics. Okay, quantum mechanics. So in part of quantum mechanics, we study of light as particle. Study of light as particle and its different properties. Okay, so study of light as a particle or energy packet and the different properties arises due to the energy property of the light. Okay, so these are the few branches that we have discussed about the physics. Okay, now let us have a discussion about what we have some doubts in your classes. Okay, so these are the different branches we have already discussed in your chapter. Okay, different branches of physics. Now information is that when we take the discussion of physics, we say physics that divided into different branches. Okay, and we have already discussed about the sum of branches of the physics. Okay, and there are also more branches that we have also learned in your chapter. Okay, because each part again further divided into different categories. Okay, that we have also learned in this chapter. Okay, so now let's have an introduction that if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, so